In this video, we will show you how to restore a previously backed up virtual machine running in OpenShift using Trilio. As we are restoring a virtual machine to the same cluster that we backed up earlier, we can use the Trilio User Interface to simply list the deployed virtual machines and see that the status of the last backup is marked as available. We can view more information about this virtual machine and see a list of backups that are available. Clicking on an individual backup reveals that we can perform a restore. The restore wizard pops up, and we are going to select which namespace that we want this specific VM to be restored to. Trilio supports the ability to transform or alter any of the metadata on restore. This is not necessary for recovery to the same platform or architecture. Clicking Create will start the restore. The restore took a couple of minutes, and as we can see here, this recovered virtual machine is now booting up in OpenShift.